Hey friends, if you wish to fix duplicate username at login or sign in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. There is a command named netplwiz. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. Now this shows all the usernames. So what are we checking here? Obviously, one will be the administrator and one will be for guests. This is normal. But if you see any other username, now it was either created by you or it is a duplicate username. In case of a duplicate username, the email address will be the same, or it is of a person who you do not want to allow logging into your system, but it exists. So can you delete or add or do anything about it? Yes. If you are the admin, you can always do this thing. You can add email addresses, you can do all of that. But if you're not the admin, then it will be a problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.